Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with some of the interesting facts and frequently asked questions about our favorite TV actor, Sean Johnston, popularly known as Jack Bartlett from Heartland. Let's get started. Sean Johnston is a Canadian actor, director, and musician who plays the role of Jack Bartlett in the hit TV series Heartland. He was born in Ponica, Alberta, Canada in 1958 and grew up on a farm with cattle and horses. We know Jack Bartlett as a visioned grandfather, without whom the show wouldn't be complete. He keeps the Heartland family together and always says the right thing at the right time. The actor and the character have quite a few things in common. Sean Johnston was a real life cowboy long before he came on the show. The talented artist has won multiple awards for the best actor during his successful career. Here, we bring you interesting facts and FAQs about our actor, Sean Johnston of Heartland. How old is Sean Johnston on Heartland? Sean Johnston started acting on Heartland in his 40s and now he's in his 60s. When Johnston was cast as Jack Bartlett for the show, he was worried about the age difference between himself and his character. However, thanks to some talented makeup artists, he looks just right for Jack's age. Does Jack die in Heartland? No, Jack doesn't die in Heartland. The character had a heart attack in episode 18 of season 6, Under Pressure, which left viewers wondering whether Jack would return in season 7. The sudden turn of events also surprised Sun, but the producer reassured him that they are not writing his character off the show. The event was merely intended to create suspense in the season finale. Where does Jack from the Heartland live? On the show, Jack Bartlett lived on the Heartland Ranch for his entire life. It's the place that belonged to his family for 6 generations. The only exception was the time he spent traveling on the rodeo circuit in his youth. Who is Sean Johnston married to? Sean Johnston is married to Sue Johnston in real life, who has been the actor's only wife. They met at university and have now been married for over 30 years. There is no further information on the couple's private life or wedding ceremony. Does Jack marry Lisa on the Heartland? After many years of dating, Jack married Lisa in season 7, episode 18. Be careful what you wish for. The new couple had a beautiful wedding reception on the Heartland Ranch with close family and friends in season 8, episode 2, The Big Red Wall. Jack's relationship with Lisa has been overshadowed by her many commitments to Fairfield Stables and the jealousy of Val Stanton. The couple overcame many hardships together and are happily married for the rest of the series. How did Jack's sister die in Heartland? Jack's sister June Bartlett dies by falling off a horse-drawn sled that ranchers used to collect hay blades and stones from the fields. June was steering the sled when she lost her balance due to the vehicle hitting a rock. Jack's sister's tragic death had a traumatic effect on the rest of his life. He was on the rodeo circuit when the accident happened and therefore feels responsible for June's early passing. Sean Johnston found his passion for acting at law school. After a few years of working in the family business, Johnston decided to pursue a career in law. He needed one extra credit to progress into his second semester, which made him take up a drama class. The instructor of the class inspired him to explore acting as a career, and he soon enrolled in the University of Alberta's drama program. It was here he acquired his Bachelor's of Fine Arts degree. Sean Johnston has made the following statement on how his background affected his acting career. Having grown up on the prairies has had a great influence on my work as an actor. I like to believe my approach is open and natural. Sean Johnston co-founded the Saddle Theatre in Edmonton. During his early career, Sean Johnston was a theatre actor. As a drama student at the University of Alberta, he dreamed of one day opening his own theatre. Together with his classmate and dear friend, John Hudson, he co-founded the reputable Saddle Theatre in Edmonton. Today, the theatre has one of the strongest subscription bases in Edmonton area. Although Sean Johnston is no longer involved in running the company, his old friend John Hudson remained on the board of directors to this day. However, Johnston has never lost his love for the craft and still performs on the stage every now and again. Sean Johnston is a multi-award winning actor. Sean Johnston made the switch from theatre to film when TV producer approached him after his performances. Being a tall, skinny guy in his youth, Johnston was mainly playing bad guys in his first few years of acting in both theatre and film. His first lead role in the tragic drama, Two Brothers and a Girl and a Gun, has won him the first of multiple Alberta Film and Television Awards for Best Actor. Some of his other famous appearances include Mentes, Mystery, Alaska, and of course, Heartland. His most famous role has certainly been playing Jack Bartlett in Heartland, for which he received a Gemini nomination early in the show. In 2011, Sean Johnston was honored with David Billington Award, presented to individuals who have made a valuable contribution to Alberta's media production. Sean Johnston originally auditioned for the role of Tim Fleming in Heartland. The idea of being Grandpa Jack on the Heartland has never occurred to Sean Johnston. Being in his mid-40s, the actor thought the character's age was too old for himself and was surprised to receive a call back for the role. Having read the script, Johnston instantly connected with Jack's Western heroic archetype. Although he had to work on deepening his voice and learning Jack's characteristic walk, we all can agree that he has done a fantastic job. Sean Johnston grew up to love being Grandpa Jack and is always eager to put a comical spin on the character. He is also proud of being the only main character of the show who never falls off a Heartland horse. According to Michelle Morgan, Lou Fleming, Sean Johnston is a perfectionist in his work. He would rather have several retakes of a shot until he is pleased with his lines. In the eyes of the cast, Sean is the one who creates the family vibe on the set. He always supports younger cast members and even calls them sometimes to make sure they are okay. Johnston admitted that being older and more experienced, he feels an urge to take everyone under his wing. Sean Johnston's own son plays Jack's younger role on Heartland. Despite having no acting experience, the directors have cast Sean Johnston's own son to play Jack's younger self in Heartland. In season 13, episode 3, Rearview Mirror, Jack reminisces about the times he spent training horses with his sister June. When Johnston approached his son about the role, he was excited to take it. After taking a few acting classes from his dad, he was so confident on the set no one could tell he is not a professional actor. Sean Johnston is an avid singer and guitar player. Sean Johnston is a passionate musician in real life. He has written and performed several songs for the Heartland show. In his personal music project The Book of Sean, Johnston takes the listener behind the scenes of how the songs evolved into the final versions you hear on Heartland. He also shares the story behind the songs, as well as their full chords and lyrics. Despite the enthusiasm of his fans, Sean Johnston refrains from getting too carried away with his music career. He is only doing it for fun, and it is perfectly happy to remain the occasional bonfire guitar player. Sean Johnston regularly donates to charity. Sean doesn't hold back when it comes to helping people in need. He raised funds and awareness for various organizations such as Autism Calgary, Children's Scottish Society, and Big Brothers Big Sisters. He is an enthusiastic charitable event producer. and regularly organizes fundraisers. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and do subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.